Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk a bit on media discourse. In this video, we are going to cover 4 different topics related to media discourse. Media discourse explanation, 2 primary types of media discourse, media focus, and at the last we have media and power. So let's get started. Media. What does the word media mean? The word media comes from the Latin plural of medium, and in modern English it can be considered or treated as plural or singular. Means in modern English, media word can be singular as well as plural. A new plural form, medias, is also increasingly being used, but you may have seen many people, they use the word medias. For plural they use medias. For example, medias of foreign countries. And discourse. What does discourse mean? Discourse is defined as talking about a subject in written or spoken form. Anything which is in the form of spoken or written, that can be considered discourse. For example, a professor meeting with a student to discuss a book, or student discussing a book with professor, or discussing any topic, that comes in discourse. 2 politicians talking about current events, that comes in discourse. Now our main topic, that is media discourse. So what does media discourse mean? Media discourse refers to interactions that take place through a broadcast platform, whether spoken or written. Means that discussion can be spoken or written, in which the discourse is oriented to a non-present reader, listener, or viewer. So who are non-present readers? Non-present readers are we. The same listeners are also we, and viewers are also we. Media discourse can be defined as the parameters within which a particular issue is publicly discussed or framed by the media. Means in media you may have seen that any issue can be discussed, like the issue of Palestine, the issue of Kashmir, the issue of any country, that is discussed on media. In other words, it is the ongoing packaging of our interactions depending on the discourse present. In other words, media discourse is a public, manufactured, on record form of interaction. It is not ad hoc or spontaneous in the same way as casual speaking or writing is. So media doesn't mean like casual speaking which we do. It is neither private nor of the record. Obvious as these basic characteristics may sound, they are crucial to the investigation, description, and understanding of media discourse. So this paragraph means whenever any news is broadcasted, so obviously there is investigation, there is huge description, and that comes in media discourse. Newspapers are an example of media discourse. Now newspaper, if you read any article, there is a huge description, there is a huge investigation is there, that comes in media discourse. Media discourse can be widely understood as any way in which the media, including news outlets, publishers, and others, frame certain issues and generates discussions among the public. The same again, the point it has been discussed that in media different issues are discussed. Media discourse is not face-to-face communication. This is the main point. Media discourse is not face-to-face communication. Instead, it is an ongoing process integrated into our communications. Now, what are the 2 primary types of media discourse? The first one is written media discourse. Written includes like newspapers, magazines, etc. These comes in media, like written media discourse. And spoken includes like radio, television, news broadcast, and drama. Now what is the main focus of media? What media Media discusses like immediacy. In immediacy, what comes? Specific actions and events are discussed. Drama. Now, what comes in drama? Violence, crisis or conflict between any countries, between any two countries, that comes in drama. The same extremist behavior, outrageous acts. Simplicity, like clear-cut opinions, major personalities can be politicians, can be anyone, that comes in major personalities. Two-sided conflict, again two-sided conflict, the conflict between two countries. And ethnocentrism, our beliefs like myths and symbols of human and suffering and happiness. Now in news, what media discusses in news? The first thing, that is government conflicts. Government conflicts means obviously in any country where you are residing, the government issues are discussed on media. And disagreement, decisions, proposals, functions, protests like in any country, protests are made about anything. So that is discussed on media. The same crimes and scandals, investigation and disaster like natural disaster, that comes in media, that is discussed in media and that is broadcasted on media. Advertisement like visual content and design have a great impact but the language of ads helps people to identify a product and remember it. So it also comes in media discourse, like advertisement also comes in media discourse. The language of ads is very positive and emphasize why one product stands out in comparison with another. Obviously, advertisement has a huge impact on human being, either that is male, female, child or anyone. So it has a huge impact on us. Slogans are also discussed on media discourse. A slogan is a memorable motto or phrase used in commercials as an expression of an idea or purpose. So slogan, obviously, if you are residing in any country, the countries, like the parties which you have in your country, political parties, they have slogans. Every party has its own slogan. So that slogan comes in media discourse. Slogans are catchy phrases. That is catchy phrases, and that gives some extra information about the product. So slogan doesn't mean just about political slogans. Slogans also, the advertisements which are issued, that advertisements as also slogans. The functions of TV advertisement discourse is to pursue the audience. In action films, youngsters tend to copy the movie hero and engage themselves in violent acts. And the last, that is media and power. Media aims to control the minds of readers and viewers. Now, how we can relate this point? Like, if anything is discussed on TV, on media, so the things which are showed to us, we blindly believe on that thing. So what comes, like, the media has huge control on us. Media can help the powerful exercise cultural like leadership. Media makes a person from hero to zero and from zero to hero. Media are sites where the ideas of the powerful are circulated and where can be contested. So this was all about today's. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please share your views regarding this video or topic, that was it helpful for you guys or not. And I hope you have liked this video. See you in the next video and take care of yourself.